How to turn off autocorrect in Mac if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. First, you need to open system setting in your Mac. So you can find system setting in dock, or else you can go and select Apple logo on the left hand side top corner and then you can select system settings. Once you open system settings, this is how the main page looks like. On the left hand side, you get multiple options to choose from. You have to scroll, and at the bottom you can see there is an option of keyboard. You have to select that, and on the right hand side you get all the options which are related to keyboard. Now you won't find any autocorrect option over here on this page. All you need to do is, for that you have to look for text input, and in front of input sources you get edit option. Select that, and on the next page under all input sources you get these options. Over here you can check out an option of correct spelling automatically. Currently you can see the toggle is on. All you need to do is you need to turn off this toggle. You can simply tap on that and the toggle will be turned off. After that you need to select done option, and now you have successfully disabled the auto lock feature in Mac. So if you want to turn it on once again, you can simply go under text input, you can select edit option, and once again you can turn on this toggle if you want to turn on the autocorrect, and then you can select done option. So these are the simple steps you need to follow in order to turn off your autocorrect in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.